Hello everyone. Today we're going to share the in-depth analysis of how we gain 250 plus pips with our gold trade in both PAFX and PICC VIP. Now, if you just pay a closer look, you can clearly see that the price has created some sort of equal highs around this area. So, what's the significance of these equal highs? Well, when you see equal highs on a chart, that means that retail traders have placed their stop losses or buy stops above these highs. During the start of every major session, the banks capture all these liquidities with a sudden move. Your stop losses, your buy stops, everything is liquidity for banks. We call this sudden move an institutional move. In this case, we have shown you the institutional move. Just as equal highs, equal lows also contain liquidity. As retail traders place their stop losses and sell stops beneath the level, the banks need to capture all this liquidity. The yellow area that we are currently indicating shows the area of order block. Banks and other institutions have their orders running in drawdown in this region. So the price needs to come at this level to mitigate the losses. We have shown you our entry. We placed our stop loss just above the institutional candle. and boom, we achieve 250 plus pips.